Me again, another video for today. I'm going to sing for you the song Your Daddy's Son from Ragtime, which School of the Arts in San Francisco is actually performing soon. Anyways, enjoy. Ooh, 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 he played piano, played it very well. Music from his hand could catch you like a spell. He could make you laugh before the tune was done. You had your daddy's son. You are your daddy's son. Ooh, ooh. Daddy never knew that you were on your way. He had other ladies and other tunes to play. When he up and left me, I just up and run. Everything in my head. You are your daddy's son. Couldn't hear no music, couldn't feel alive. Mama, she was frightened, crazy from the front. Tears without no comfort, screams without no sound. Only darkness and pain, the anger and pain, the blood and the pain. I buried my heart in the ground, in the ground. When I buried you in the ground. Ooh, ooh. Daddy played piano, Daddy playing still. Mama can't forget him, don't suppose I will. God wants no excuses, I have only one. You are your daddy's hands, forgive me. You are your daddy's son. If you can, come see the show. I'm not in it, but my friend told me is.